Now then, welcome to the channel. The idea has come about to start a channel, make a few videos following some of the projects I end up involved in. There's definitely quite a few. Hopefully going forward, a few projects coming to the channel, workshop equipment, etc, Land Rover, work, but ultimately new bench, something that we desperately need. So we'll see what we can put together. I usually end up working out things by myself, no guidance, YouTube videos mainly. So come and watch somebody that doesn't know what they're doing and see if you can learn nothing from them. Latest workshop edition is new welder. My old welder's nearly as old as I am. It's been a good bit of kit, but I need something a bit more modern. So here it is, esab Rebel acdc. So it's a multi-process machine, does MIG, TIG, stick, AC TIG, flux, probably all sorts of stuff that I'm never going to use. But a big thanks to Jason from Small Garage Workshop for supplying the machine. It's been a fantastic machine. Had it a couple of weeks now. Starting to get to grips with it. A lot of practice, and I mean, I've never TIG welded anything properly in my life. I've never been shown how to do it. Played about with it, some late nights and some scrap metal, and we're picking it up slowly. So with that, first project, straight in at the deep end. Alloy fuel tank to repair, because why not? So yeah, let's get it tidied up.
Take you back with me. I will wake up with a smile just for you. I will be there for the wake up and take you back with me. And I'll wake up with a smile just for you. I see the visions on the TV. They're not all as good as you, and I like the silly things that you do. I like to watch her while she's sleeping. It settles me to know from the start, from the heart, 'cause she's smart. And you hit the mark. Don't you breathe a word of what you've seen and heard.
So I've got it all cleaned up, so got a hole to patch. Where's it gone? New filler neck. New pickup pipe. New return filler. And a breather pipe to weld on. The old ones on it were cracked, the filler neck was badly repaired, the threads were damaged. Yeah, doesn't owe me anything, so if it all goes wrong, yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, let's get welding. happy with that. It'll do its job. Oh, it's had diesel in it, by the way. It's that's why it's smoking. I'm not going to blow myself up. Oh, it's got the rest of it done. So overall, I'm quite pleased with that. Might not be the prettiest, but do exactly what I need it to do. Let it cool fully and maybe seal it up, pressure test it, just make sure it hasn't got any leaks. It didn't leak when it was in my old truck. Give it a clean up. Good to go. A few minor adjustments to the mountings. Good to go.